Hi guys, Steph here. Right, so today we've got for you another, not one, but two lovely fountain pens. And yes, these two pens were, they were actually spotted by a viewer in a recent pen haul video, and he saw them and he said, "Can I reserve them pens?" And I said, "Of course you can." And the pens in question were these here. Look at that. So we've got a lovely one there, a lovely Burnham. Not only the pen, but we've also got the pencil with it. And then we've got a second Burnham pen as well. And here's them pens that we've just seen. As I said, they were reserved, subject to service, subject to restoration, and they're now ready to go. So what have we got here? As it says in the description, we've got two Burnhams. Both of these pens are the same. Both of them are Burnhams B48 models. Now again, very briefly, some of you have told you before, the Burnham pens were made by Harry Burnham from literally the 1920s through to around about the 1960s when they ceased making pens. And they made pens, they made some very, very nice pens indeed. They also, like a lot of companies at that particular period, made pens for other manufacturers. But as I said, they made some very, very nice pens, and these are included. So let's look at the first one here. Look at that. So what we've got, as I've just mentioned, if I show you the barrel imprint, we've got Burnham, and then underneath, made in England. Well, don't say made in England, it just says England. And then we've got B48. As you can see, it's a lever fill fountain pen. Take you up to the cap. It's got a sort of medium-sized cap band there. And then to the top, we've got the very recognisable Burnham clip, as you can see there, with the word Burnham running down the length of the clip. And then to the top there, we've got this slightly peaked black jewel, which it matches the end of the barrel, as you can see there. So this one, you can see, comes in this lovely different shades of blue with, as you can see, running throughout the pen there, we've got these sort of black veins running throughout the pen. And as I've said, it's been fully restored, fully serviced, brand new sack installed. Everything internally has been thoroughly cleaned, and it's ready to go to the new owner. The size of these pens, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, they're both 131 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, they're a nice 11.5 millimeters in diameter. So as you can see, absolutely lovely. As you saw in the before, this one also comes with a matching pencil. Once again, same colour, different shades of marbling in blue, the Burnham clip, as you can see, the cowl clip there as well with the name Burnham, peak to the top. And if we just simply turn it there you go, you can see the lead coming from inside the cone to the end there. So in full working order. So there the matching, the fountain pen and a pencil, both in matching colours. Absolutely lovely. Okay, so we'll show you sort of different angles. You can see, very nice indeed, lovely and clean, as they should be. Let's unscrew the cap for you. Okay, again, let's just give you a little bit of a twirl. They're absolutely in lovely condition. I mean, they were nice when I actually found them, but they're now even nicer. You can see the threads. We've got this section, slightly flares out towards the nib. And then if we show you the nib, both of these pens have a Burnham B45 medium England gold-plated steel nibs. Okay, there's a sideways view for you. There's the feed underneath. It's got this sort of very recognisable Burnham ladder feed, as you can see there. Now, the nice thing about these two pens, again, they're both identical models, but we'll show you the different colours. They came out, as I say, mid-1950s, and it was a time, I think, when Burnham introduced what they term as the interchangeable nib units. Okay, which means that what you can do is simply unscrew the nib unit, and if you're not happy with this particular medium nib, you can replace it with whichever nib you prefer, and then just simply screw in a replacement nib, and away you go to write to your heart's content. Now, you may have, well, as I've just mentioned, it says B45. Now, the nibs on these pens, I believe, were B48s, matching the model number. But it's not unusual to find these pens with these B45 nibs. And it's questionable maybe that what Burnham did, they had nibs from the previous model, the B45, in stock, and they just simply placed them in the newer model, which is this B48. So although it's got a B45 nib, it's not unusual, it's quite common to find the B45 nibs on the B48 fountain pen. So let's pop the cap back on. Absolutely lovely. And let's just show you the other one in different colour. This one, well, this is my favourite from the two. You can see it comes in these good, well, let's show you the barrel imprint first of all. As before, Burnham B48 with England just underneath, as you can see there. So once again, a lovely clear imprint, and the colour, it comes in these different shades of blue and grey marbling, with also black veins running throughout the pen. Very, very nice indeed. Also a lever fill, as I said, both models are the same model, the B48s. A lever fill with a cap band, the cowled clip to the top there with the word Burnham running down the end, and the peak to the top to match the end of the barrel. Once again, it's been fully restored, fully cleaned internally, brand new sack, and ready to go to the new owner. Very nice indeed. Once again, let's just give you a couple of twirls. These Burnham pens, they came in some very, very nice, attractive colours. The only slight downfall with Burnham's is that the plate that they used was quite thin, and they did tend to wear. Whereas, as you can see on both of these, the plate is still very, very nice indeed, in lovely, lovely condition. And again, as with the previous one, the section's the same. It's got the same Burnham B45 medium nib, which, as we've mentioned, is not unusual to find on these pens. And once again, I won't unscrew it, but this is also the interchangeable nib unit, which allows you to change the nib to whichever nib you prefer. The size of both of these pens are very nice indeed, at 131 capped and the 11.5mm in diameter. Even with my large hands, they're very comfortable to hold and presumably to write with as well. I'm not going to do any writing sample because both of them will be going in the post to the lucky new owner. So there you have it. I hope you like your pens, Mark. I hope you enjoy them for many years to come, and they'll be whizzing their way to you very, very soon. So there we have it. 2 gorgeous Burnham B48s, one with a matching pencil, all sort of clean, service restored, brand new sacks fitted, in full working order and in excellent condition, as you've just seen. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at these pens as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up. Please do that. Subscribe to the channel as well. Okay. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and these gorgeous pens. Bye-bye for now.